is Julie. You are watching Treasures Made from Yarn. This is my weekly work in progress and my finished objects or project video. So, let's get started. I have 2 finished projects this week. I got my boho bag done. This is my pattern, so I will leave that tutorial link in the description. Right now it is full of yarn that my son bought me as a belated Mother's Day gift for Michael's, so I have done a video on that, so I hope you had a chance to check out that video. So yeah, boho bag is done. The other item I have finished is my basket from the for the Mystery Yarn Challenge 523 that is hosted by Armchair Chef, and I already got that done and full of stuff already. This bag was made from, I had a pixie dust, and I had the scarfy yarn in that bag, so that went into making this. Not as sturdy, it's a little flimsy, and I think my handles might be off too. I was on the phone with my mom at the time I was making this, and I was kind of winging where to put the handles. So, but nevertheless, it is full of stuff, and that bag is done. I got a month left. There might be more projects for Mystery Yarn Challenge. It's hard to say. So, anyway, that is my only finished projects this week. I don't know if you have seen in the basket, I'm doing another gift bag with the color pooling. I had a little harder time with this one this time around. I'm not sure if seemed like I'm constantly messing with the tension and that to get it to line up like this, but I'm at least hoping for a tutorial at least on how to make the bag part, and hopefully tips to show you how to make it pool like this, at least with the mistletoe yarn. I'll have to see if this, well, obviously I have done the pooling from the other bag I had, but I think I had a different amount of stitches, so anyway, I got that project going. Yeah, you have seen my video where I bought the vintage peach yarn from Facebook Marketplace. I already started the basket for that. This is the bottom. It looked kind of cool. I'll have to keep this in mind for future basket projects, getting like 3 yarns that are slightly different in color, and looks kind of cool so far. So I'm just started on the basket for that. Okay. We have a hashtag Tanks and Tees 2023. That is hosted by Nina's Knots Crochet, and I'm sorry, one other channel which I will link in the description. And I feel bad that I can't think of the name of the other channel that's in Tanks and Tees 2023. So not much more progress on this. I think I'm going to finish up this orange colorway for the sleeve, and then start working on the body of the t-shirt. So, yep, I've got to start getting going on this project, because this has got to be done by the end of June. But I'm liking it so far. I got this yarn, black Hobie cotton yarn. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, but kind of liking it for the t-shirt. The only thing I don't like about this yarn is because it's strands, and I'm constantly missing one of these strands, and it's a little pain to work with. But I do like how it feels. Did a little more progress on my shawl, just a little bit. I don't know, I think just one of these days, because this is a project that's screaming, I'm almost done. You know, one of these days I'm just going to just sit down and finish the shawl. I think I need to go a little bit further yet. Probably do a couple more rows, a couple more color repeats. And then this project will be almost done. I still have the basket that I'm working on using the grocery bags, plastic grocery bags, and it's gonna be, it almost looks like it's gonna be huge. I got a little bit of progress on it, but not much. This looks like this is gonna be pretty big, but that's okay. I have plenty of grocery bags to go through. So that is that project. And that all I got left are my 2 temperature projects for the year. So, figures. Can't find, that is progress on, you know, it's starting to be pretty long. We can tell we're about halfway through. And the next, I guess next month is start. I think, yeah, when the start look like by the time it's by the end of the year, this will probably be a scarf. I like a regular length scarf. Like I said, I just started tucking the ends in as I go. I still gotta go back and sew in all these other ends. But this project's up to date. My temperature blanket is never up to date. So that is the progress on that. It looked like we were hitting 70s and 80s for a while, and then I got a cold spell. It got only high in the high 50s. Yeah, mostly I'm just before like this current one. This current one is that I'm working on is just a cable. And then for the most part I've been like maybe doing the pattern stitch and only part of the blanket, where the rest of the blanket is just the garter stitch. So I've been kind of doing that for the last few months. But the last few days, some of the days have been all it's been is a cable. So, yeah, I don't know if I mentioned that, but yeah, this one day we had screwed up that pattern. Here it looks like it's supposed to slant, and it's not slanting. But overall, that it's going to be it's the end of the month, and obviously I'm about a little bit behind on that. But that's the progress on May. Well, that covers it. That is all my works in progress. So if you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this? Please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye now.